So this is Sheffield Overground station. This is the Overground train station here in Sheffield. That's it there, Sheffield Overground train station. So it's rain or shine. Oh, here's a big fish. Coming down harder again. Okay, so let's come under the tree, and I'm going to give my lens another wipe. Okay, so as you can see out there, it's coming down a little bit harder again. Okay, so let's walk over this side here now. Like I'm saying, this is Sheffield Overground train station.
Yes, with the vlog.
Huh? Sorry?
You're vlogging, yeah?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, yes. It's called...
What's that set up like with that GoPro? Decent?
Yeah. My channel is called Mr. X.
Mr. X?
Life in England.
Yes.
Mr. X.
Let me give you a quick follow.
Yeah.
No, we'd love to support.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name Cav.
Cav?
Yeah, man.
And what's your name? Safone. Okay, respect, man. How you guys doing?
Put your thing in there. What's it, Mr. X?
MR
Yeah.
space
Yeah.
X
Yeah.
space
Yeah.
LIFE space.
In England, yeah?
Yeah. That's me there. Respect, man.
Yeah, man. Come on. So yeah, I'm gonna see myself in the vlog then.
Yes. Say hi to someone, man.
Yes, big up to YouTube.
And who else? Where your friend? Where your boys at?
I shout out, sir. I shout out Cav Splits Cars as well. He's a good lad.
Oh, okay. All right. I will put it in the description. Yeah. Thanks for your subscription, man. Thanks, man. You should subscribe too.
I will.
All right.
I'll get into sub.
Respect. Thanks, man. Okay, this is the second time I've been here in Sheffield, and Sheffield gave me two subscription or 3 subscription on spot. So this is inside. We are inside the Overground train station here. Okay, we are out on the platform here now, and there is the train. Trains on the right, trains on the left, trains coming in, trains going out. Yes, it's a rainy Sunday here in Sheffield, England, and
the next train to depart from platform 7 will be the 11:45 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich, calling at Chesterfield, Alfreton, Nottingham, Grantham, Peterborough, Ely, Brandon, Thetford, Attleborough, Windham and Norwich. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 7 from the 11:45 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich. Please note.
okay, here is the board.
Departure board. Are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
Oh, right. Sheffield is in Yorkshire. So we are in Yorkshire again. We're in Sheffield
Smoking is
in
not
Yorkshire.
permitted at the station. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes.
So, to tell you the truth, if you ask me before I came here where was Yorkshire, I would say Yorkshire is in Scotland. I would say Yorkshire is somewhere up that side, where Scotland and those places at. But no, Sheffield is in Yorkshire, and Yorkshire is Yorkshire. Yorkshire is not in Scotland. So you live and you learn, you know. Well, I got half an hour for departure. I should leave here at 12:15, so I'm gonna head back and bring the coach around where I start to load my passengers. Yeah, because guess what? Today is one of my son's birthday, and I would like to be home by 3:30 to give him a hug and a gift. He's a grown man though, but I love my children, whether they're young, they're older, or whatever. Yeah, so I would like to get home to spend a little time with him. Well, so as you can see, We are inside the Sheffield